Every single day, we're hearing about glow serums, glow masks, glow toners, glow boosters, glow injectables, glow fillers. And yet, most women are looking into the mirror every day and wondering, why does my skin look thinner? Why does it look flat? Why does it look gray? Or why do I always look tired no matter what I do? And here is what no one is explaining. Your skin is not dull, it is underfed. And there isn't a single topical product that can fix a cellular energy deficit. And all of that is deeply connected to nutritional status. It's also circulatory and it's also inflammatory. So if your skin has lost its luminosity, this is the conversation that's been missing. If you're new here, hello and welcome. My name is Nadia Ben-Shakroun, your guide to better skin naturally without intervention. I've spent 30 years as a certified skincare expert working with thousands of consumers. And if I learned one thing, it is that beauty is not applied, it's activated. Glow is when you have a light reflection from smooth keratinocytes combined with blood flow to the surface and mitochondrial ATP production. When mitochondria are functioning well, cells turn over efficiently. When circulation is strong, oxygen delivery increases, and when inflammation is low, the skin reflects light evenly. But when the body is undernourished, stressed, inflamed, or protein deficient, glow is first to disappear. You cannot reveal natural glow topically just through exfoliation, as all of these practitioners and the beauty industry are trying to get you to believe. Chemical peels, microdermabrasions, and so on are not going to fix skin that's metabolically sluggish. And this is why people who often have dull skin, they also have other issues like fatigue, thinning hair, slower healing, digestive discomfort, increased breakouts, and dryness that no oil can fix. Let's talk about why skin becomes underfed, leading to that loss of glow. There are three major drivers. The first one is micronutrient insufficiency. Modern diets are calorically high but nutritionally deficient. Even women that are eating healthy are still lacking very, very often in today's world magnesium, zinc, amino acids, trace minerals, omega-3 fatty acids. Magnesium alone is required for over 800 enzymatic functions in the body, including ATP production. Zinc regulates inflammation and wound repair, while omega-3 fatty acids influence your cell membrane, cell integrity, elasticity, and reduce inflammatory signaling. If your cell membranes are rigid and inflamed, there is absolutely no way that you can have that natural reflective glow. Number two is low protein intake. This is huge. Many women unintentionally undereat protein. So if you're having a smoothie for breakfast, a light salad with a little bit of chicken strips on top, and maybe a vegetable-rich dinner, that may sound like a healthy diet, but it's very nutritionally deficient. And you're probably getting really confused right now thinking, how does protein affect glow or cell turnover? Well, your body needs amino acids that come from protein to help with cellular turnover. Your body requires specifically glycine, proline, and hydroxyproline. Your keratinocytes need amino acids, detoxification pathways need protein, and if you're not hitting sufficient protein thresholds, your body is prioritizing survival versus that topical glow. For the body, the skin is always secondary and is last to get any nutrient if your body does not have enough. Number three is barrier lipid depletion. And this is where inflammation meets nutrition. Your barrier is made of ceramides, cholesterol, and fatty acids. If your dietary fats are low or imbalanced, especially low in omega-3, the lipid matrix becomes compromised. So you can apply oils on your face all day long, but if your body is lacking in those essential fatty acids, you cannot strengthen that lipid barrier, which is responsible for that topical glow. Now let's talk about mitochondria, that glow engine. I've made the hard choice not to take sponsorships. While others can earn 6 figures for a single video, I've chosen to remain unbiased. I've left corporate America to be the consumer's guide with my loyalty to you, not the brand. To keep doing what I love, I absolutely need the support of this community. Become a VIP member on thebeautydoctrine.com or a paid member here on YouTube. And help keep me bringing you the truth about how to age your very best from the inside out and outside in. Let's get back to our video. Mitochondria generates ATP, aka energy. This drives cell turnover, repair, and collagen signaling. When mitochondrial output drops, those dead skin cells are sitting on the surface longer. They start accumulating unevenly, and that's when the skin starts looking dull, gray, rough. Inflammation further damages mitochondrial efficiency, creating that feedback loop. Inflammation leads to mitochondrial slowdown, which means you get poor cell turnover, which leads to inflammation, and the cycle continues. This is why glow restoration requires enhancing your mitochondrial energy. This is also why babies and children have that naturally glowing skin, because their energy is way up here, and as we age, our energy declines, so we need to look there first. Save your money on the retinoids and the skin cycling and the peels and so on. All this stuff is designed to sell products. Stop over exfoliating and start boosting your mitochondrial energy. I created a one-page skin reset plan. If you're interested in getting that, just comment reset and I'll be happy to send it to you. I'm also listing all the nutrients that could be very helpful to you in rebuilding that lipid barrier and getting that glow from the inside out. Please remember, you cannot peel your way to luminosity. Now, let's talk about the connection between circulation and glowing skin. Movement absolutely matters, so you got to do some type of cardio, even if it's walking. Resistance exercise and weightlifting can help a ton because that increases insulin sensitivity and circulation, while walking improves that lymphatic flow. Red light therapy can support mitochondrial energy, mitochondrial function, collagen production, so that's a must in the battle against premature aging. And that includes maintaining that youthful glow. We got to start thinking of glow as dynamic. It reflects internal health and internal energy. Here's the bottom line. If your skin is looking dull lately, it does not mean it needs more products. For some people, yes. If they're not taking care of their skin, they probably need to invest in a good skincare routine. But the bigger question to ask, am I nourished? Am I absorbing what I eat? Am I inflamed? Am I protein sufficient? When the body feels fueled, safe, and mineralized, the skin reflects it. I recommend you watch my in-depth video about omega-3 fatty acids. I'm going to drop a link below. Until the next video, be well, be safe, be beautiful, take care.